Hi kindergarten, welcome back. We're gonna practice a little bit of pitching today. For this activity, you'll either need maybe a rock or a bean bag if you have one at your house. I don't have a bean bag. I don't know about you, but I have a lot of socks that don't have mates. So I just took an old sock and put some beans in it, and I'm gonna use that to toss. So whatever you have, if you can't get outside because the weather is not allowing you to, I made up a little paper that you can use at home. Same idea that we're going to be doing outside today. And you need to write numbers 1 through 10 on each of these lines here, okay? And then you can use something like a piece of rice or a bean, something like that at home when you see what you're gonna do here. So you can either do this outside or you can use this at home, okay? You're gonna need a red crayon or a marker to use, and then a crayon or marker of your own choosing, your own color, different than red. All right, so if you're outside, this is what you're gonna draw outside, okay? You're gonna pick different numbers because these are Miss Reeker's numbers, okay? These are my numbers, so you're gonna pick a different number than those. But you're gonna have to know what my numbers are to do this activity. So Nate and I are gonna do an example so that you understand what you're going to do. All right, here we go. All right, so Miss Reeker's gonna stand back here, okay? And I'm gonna pitch my ball and we're gonna see what number it lands on. All right. Ooh, yay, good for me. So it landed on the number 6. So what you're going to do on your 10s frame, 20s frame actually, okay, this is just the example, you're gonna take Miss Reeker's red marker, okay? And I had 6, so we're gonna put 6 dots on my frame here, okay? There's number 5 and number 6, okay? Now I'm gonna write my number right here, 6. Now I need to see what Nate is going to do. So this is where you're going to either use yours outside and your numbers, or you're going to use this piece of paper with your numbers written on it. Okay, so here's the example. We're gonna keep going so you catch on. All right, so I'm gonna give this to Nate. Nate, let's see where you land yours. What number did Nate land on? What number did you land on, Nate?
4.
4. So Nate's gonna come over and he's gonna use his marker. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna be adding yours on, and then Nate's gonna add on his 4. Now don't forget, when you add on, you're going to continue where Miss Reeker left off. So go ahead, Nate, put 4 dots on our 10s frame. And then he's gonna write his number here. Okay, nice and neat. So now we have the math problem. 6 plus 4 equals, well, what does 6 plus 4 equal, everyone? We can tell right here. It took up our whole 10s frame right there. All right, so 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right, now your numbers are gonna be different because you're not gonna use the same numbers I have. All right, you're gonna use different numbers. You're gonna write your numbers on this, or you're gonna write your numbers on the circles that you made outside. But I'm gonna pitch the ball, and you're gonna record on number 1 how many Miss Reeker had. Number 2, let's get started. Thanks, Nate, you can go do your homework. Okay, here we go. Number 1, I need to stand back here, give it a pitch, and I landed on the blue circle. So that is number 4. So on number 1, Miss Reeker had 4. So you're gonna show me 4 on the 10s frame, then you're going to take a turn and you're going to add yours, okay? All right, you can pause your video and do that, and come back and we're gonna do number 2. All right, number 2. Pitch the ball. Let's see where it goes. Oh my goodness, I landed on number 4 again. So hopefully you land on a different number. Okay, so number 2, Miss Reeker did 4 again. Hopefully your number's different. If it's not, pitch yours again and see if you can get a different number. Okay, figure out your math problem. I'm going to move on over here to the next one. Okay, here I go. Number 6. Okay, so on number 4, Miss Reeker pitched 6. You're gonna add 6. All right, this is number 5. Let's see what I land on this time. Number 3. All right, so on number 3 here, or on number 5, Miss Reeker got 3. So you're gonna put a 3 on number 5. Okay, moving on to number 6. Let's see what I got. All right, come on, 6. Oh, I got a 3 again. Hopefully you'll roll something different than a 3. Okay, so Miss Reeker got a 3 here on number 6. And now number 7. Let's see what I get on number 7. Okay, last time pitching. A 4. I got a 4. Okay, so I'm gonna put a 4 here. Okay? Now don't forget, you're gonna take a turn and your numbers are gonna be different than mine. All right? You can change your numbers if you want throughout the game. That way you'll get different answers because you might land on the same numbers like I did. And so if you want to change your numbers, go ahead and change your numbers every time. That's all right. Or on here, same thing. And you're going to use your tens frame. You're going to add them up. And you're going to send this work to Mrs. Dorr and myself. Okay? Have a great day. Have fun pitching. And we will chat later. Bye-bye.